But here they come a couple to the shit in the hall, and they have out in Torah. He says, I'm a businessman, I will make my own a new business. Take the money for you. I'm afraid you're going to get married with a poor person, what will be with you? You love them, but decide that they have to have children. She said, no, I want they should sleep, learn Torah. So the Shidduch said, no, I said, the factory will be for both of you. Next year you have a child. You're not divorced. She have a child. But he was so stoned, such a Torah, that they never fight, and now she wants to give him the money, and he wants to tell him, do you take the money? And no, the money must take both. So we find there has such a thing. How we come to such a thing? When a person's mind is clear, and he has faith in Hashem, that Hashem is here, and he speaks to Hashem. This is the whole concept of Bresleb Chassidus, the Rebbe walking in the horse. When Mashiach will come, so the Cheskel Rebbe said, I will take away your stone heart, and I will give you a flesh heart. The Rebbe says, what Mashiach will bring for the whole world, I'm bringing now. And a person lives, that's the story. He has such a ischaskis, power, words for each person. Even you sin, even you're the worst person, don't give up hope. You still could come back. But how? I know I'm full of sin. A person loses self-confidence. It's the worst thing. When a person loses the self-confidence, he's finished. When a person has a good will, nothing in the world could destroy him, nothing in the world could knock him down. I'm laughing with you. You're knocking me down, I'm laughing with you. I am so strong. The Rebbe says, what was the power of Shimshon HaGiber? He had, what's the power for a giver? The enemy has also ammunition. A lot of times better ammunition than we have. What's a good soldier? What's a good general? That I'm going in straight into my enemy. I'm not afraid. I'm going to... The other part says, hey, wait a minute, this guy, even we shoot him, they shoot me back, and he's going. They pick up the feet and they turn and they start to run away. The Mishnah says, Chilas nefile nise. When a person runs away, in reality he runs away, this is the first thing you will get destroyed. There are given, what's a given? I'm a strong person. I'm not afraid of you. I'm going into you. Don't forget, the other one is also. Let's take boxing. What's the boxing? Who is the winner in boxing? I have a small guts. Whoever has more guts in his life, he's the winner. Person has to have guts. I'm not afraid of you. And that's fine. And the other one gives in to you also. He punches you. I'm not afraid of you. I have guts. I will put you down. I put him down already. He's down. But he has guts. It turns out, I don't know if you saw it. I was a Rebbe in Chaim Berlin for over 42, 43 years. More than 4 years. So Rebbe in Chaim Berlin. Chaim Berlin was like today. I had a class. The whole class was big boys, 14, 15. And whatever, I couldn't live with them. They was into boxing, and the whole Rebbe, you know, Muhammad Ali was then in a boxer, and they had books, and they teach me about boxing. I went to the principal, I cannot learn. They are not interesting to learn, not the Chumash, not the Mishnah, not the Halacha, only boxing. And I remember the Schwarzer Muhammad Ali, he was a giver. I said, no, listen to them, and put in a little Chumash in them, a little Halacha, so I was listening to them, they told me stories. So I saw their own Hatzlacha, success when a person has omets, God's a person has God, has our willpower. We say every day by Ashrei, 3 times a day we say Ashrei. And we ask Hashem for Panos. Poseach etzodecho, masbir al kolchai, rotzo. What is? When you open your hand, and give me what? Will. Poseach etzodecho, open your hand, masbir, fulfill me with rotzo. I don't need rotzo, I need food. I need money, I have to pay my rent, I have to pay my electric, my water, I have to pay the grocery bill. Why we pay 3 times a day? Poseach etzodecho, rotzo means will. I need will, I need money. Why we say the tendency is, if a person has a will, he could make from paper to make gold. You see, they are recycling paper and make the gold. They take pieces of garments and they make them gold. People are really get rich from that. But a person has a good will. You will not bring me down. He destroys you. He speaks bad than you. He's doing you bad. But that I have my will power. Not put me down. He has God. This person succeeds in life. He comes in. That's what Siddur put in the Rebbe, puts in everybody. You should have God. Don't be afraid of nobody. And you will a winner, you will a successful. Wow, this is called huge. Huge means no? Huge. Gave up. Who says when a person has parents, that the parents didn't know how to raise the children? Always good for nothing. You're good for nothing, And the child said, here's my father and my mother, they're good for nothing. Psychiatrist made a cheshbon. What's a cheshbon? Huh? Study. And from the time the child starts to speak, till he gets married, he made a study about 35,000 or 40,000 times he heard the child heard. All that. You're good for nothing, leave them, get around here, and all kinds of. So if you hit 25,000 or 40,000 times, why do you want to stop? And this is not enough. First grade, 0. Every report got 0. Get knocked down. The second grade, knocked down. The third grade, knocked down. Always 0, 0, knocked down, and knocked me down. All you want from such a kid should grow up. And you know what, I gave up my life, I'm not good for nothing. And he's crawling around in this world full of huge is what? Evil spirit. More than give up. Give up is gave up, but it's miserable, sad, angry at the world. Comes the Rebbe and shows you, oh, you have to look at all you have a good point. Oh, Hashem, Ya'id. What, if a word comes